Hi girls and boys, Reggie Roo here. What's this soaring high in the air? It looks like a plane, but has no engine. It's a hang glider. A hang glider is a light aircraft that floats through the air. They have a strong aluminium frame, which is covered by sailcloth to make a wing. The pilot hangs below the wing, and by moving their bodies, they can control the direction the glider goes. But if there's no engine, how do they get into the air to start with? That's how. What an amazing running takeoff. Some gliders are tandem. That means there are two people, which is great for training new pilots. The pilot points out where he wants to land. Watch out for the trees! And a perfect landing. He's safely on the ground. Here comes the tandem. They use the wheels and roll to a stop. Would you like to soar high above in a hang glider too? Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.